Hi, so today I'm going to review this Honeygain app and show you why it's not really worth the time and it's not a good affiliate offer to promote. So the main reason I downloaded is not to earn from the internet sharing but to earn from the affiliates, because I thought it would be the easiest app to refer to, because I would earn daily from the people I refer. But it seems like I'm earning less than 1 cent per day from each referral I'm gaining. And some of the referrals are actually quitting because the earning is so low. It's like 10 cents per day they're earning, and I'm not even earning a cent from each affiliate I referred. So I already stopped the internet sharing, and I used it for a few days and referred about 10 people. As you can see, I referred 10, and this is my daily earnings. So on January 31st, I earned 3 cents. February 1, I earned 2 cents. February 2, 2 cents. February 3, 2 cents. February 4th, 1.7 cents. And for the winnings, I referred one of my referrals won 50 cents on the first day. But for me, every day I was earning 1 cent bonus. And you don't really get the percentage of the winnings from your referrals. You just get the internet sharing, the amount they earn from the internet sharing. So try to find better affiliate offers to promote rather than this app. At first I thought it was going to be very easy to get a lot of people to download this app. But now it seems like it takes a lot of effort, just like selling a product. It's much better to then sell a product directly rather than doing this. The people are not really that easily going to download. They're a bit skeptical about this app, and even those who download, they want to delete it because the earnings is so low. So make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be reviewing more apps like this. This is my first video and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.